gon' swipe them visas? I need a who gon' swipe. Hello, you guys. This is Brie Avani with another hair review. This hair review will be for Yummy Extensions. So the first thing that I put out here is the Yummy Extension card. Is the care card. Is basically letting you know how to take care of the hair and how to have it for a long time. And then the next thing I'm pulling out here is the receipt that you're going to get. So it will give you the breakdown. It will let you know your lengths that you purchased and how much everything was in the items that you purchased. And then here is basically a postcard just thanking you for buying their product. And here is the best part here. So these are the extensions. So basically it does come in a red satin bag. I feel like the only reason why it's red is because it was around Christmas time. Other reviews I did see, it was a purple bag. But you know, this red satin bag is definitely pretty. And they are individually wrapped, each product. So the very first thing that I'm opening here is the frontal. So I did get a 16-inch because that was the only length that they had. Had they had something longer, I definitely would have got that. But it is the texture natural straight, and then this is Cambodian raw virgin hair. So as far as the shipping, so with the shipping, I did get it December 26th. They had a sale going on December 25th and 26th. I think it went up to the 27th, if I'm not mistaken. Basically they had a Christmas sale going on. So I definitely thought that that was a good time to actually jump on it and get, you know, some good quality virgin hair. As far as it getting to my house, it took about 3 to 5 days. So honestly, I felt like the shipping was pretty fast. Wasn't no complaints there. Basically the lengths I got is a 16-inch frontal. And then 4 24-inch bundles. So as you can see, this is the frontal here. And it's really pretty and thick. And then I'm turning around in the back so you can see there. It has the baby hairs, as you can see. And then this is the texture of the hair. And then I'm trying to show you guys the ends. So as you can see, it's thick from root to tip. So I'm just running my fingers through it to show you guys that is little to no shedding. As you can see, it's no shedding. Honestly, when I went through all these bundles, even the frontal, it was no shedding. Okay, so I'm opening the next bag here. And then each one comes with the card just letting you know what length is in there if you guys do decide to get different lengths. So this is the 24 Cambodian natural straight. And this is all raw hair. So as you can see, it's thick from root to tip. As you can see, it's no shedding there. And then see, the texture is really pretty. I'm really trying to, you know, make sure you guys see the texture really good. And then the ends are so pretty. They're thick. Definitely no complaint there. Okay, so I'm putting that away. And then, oh, actually, I forgot to show you guys the weft of this particular bundle. So it is really nice, as you can see. And then they put the plastic clamps on there. You actually have to cut it off to get it off. That's how thick it is, the plastic is. But I think that's a really neat idea, you know. So this is the next bundle. Okay, and this is how this bundle look. I want you guys to see each bundle to see, you know, how they do make sure that the bundles look alike. So as you can see, it's thick from root to tip. And the wefts of this one is good as the last one. And the ends look good. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so I'm pulling that out there. Okay, and that's a little piece of the bag there, the red part. So I'm just taking that out and showing you guys from root to tip. So it's the same thing with the ends, no split ends, and then the wefts look really good. And as you can see, you guys, all of the bundles look alike. And then this is the last one. Okay, the card is there. And then I'm running my hands through it. It's no shedding. It's no tangling as well. And then the wefts look really good. And then I'm just pointing at the plastic part. Like just letting you guys know that all of them come with that plastic part. And you just got to cut it off. And then, yeah, the texture. And then again, the ends. No split ends. And it looks really good and healthy. Like real hair. And the hair does not have a smell to it. No corn trip smell. No chemical smell or anything. It smelled like it had a faint smell, but it was like a shampoo type of smell. Like this hair didn't have a smell. Yeah, so I definitely really like this hair. Definitely cannot wait to make a wig with it. So right now I'm putting 3 bundles together to let you guys know that because of how thick it is, really you can get away with 3 bundles. Like if you get 3 bundles in a frontal or 3 bundles and even a closure, like honestly that will be enough to have a nice pretty full wig, or if you're sewing it in install. So I'm just showing you guys how thick it is. Like you can definitely pull it off with 3 bundles. Like that's really all you need, especially if you're trying to, you know, save that coin. Definitely can do without the extra bundle. But I really don't mind having 4 bundles. So I'm showing you guys how it look with 4 bundles here. And then again, you guys, this is 24 inches. So the fact that you can get away with 3 bundles with 24 inches, where like other companies, you typically can't do that for it to look full. But yeah, so I'm doing 4 bundles and just showing you guys how it look all together, how thick it is. Just showing you guys how everything looks all together and how they all look identical. And then how heavy, like, do you see how heavy that hair is? That's how you know it's a lot of hair. So this will conclude my video. I would like you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And I do thank you for looking at my channel. You guys have a wonderful night.